The end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it's through, without exemption. I play each kind of course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew, then I beat off more than I could chew. Was through it all, then several stop, I add it up and spin it out. I face it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to sing. I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he is not to say the things he truly feels. In other words, all in you, the record shows I took the blows and